Okay, can you see the screen, guys? Is it clear?
Yes.
Okay,
Yes,
Yeah.
it's clear.
okay, thank you. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
Okay, good morning, everyone, respected lecturer and my dear friends. First of all, let us thank to Allah Subhanahu wa Taala for His blessing, so we can gather here today in a good health. So, my name is Putri Ngawirabaya, and I will be the moderator for today's session. So today, our group will present a topic with the title the Audiolingual Method or ALM. And our members are Arif Purnama, Atifatur Rahmania, and Putri Ngawirabaya. So without any further ado, let's begin the presentation. Okay, start from the definition first. The audiolingual method is a teaching method that focuses on listening and speaking skill. It helps students learn a language through repetition, imitation, and practice. And this method is based on the idea that language learning is a habit formation. So, students learn by repeating correct sentence many times. So, repeat, imitation, and practice. And next page will be explained by Miss Nia. Please, time is yours.
Sir Arif, do you want? Okay, so the main characters for this method or approach are first is listening and speaking comes first. So student listen to the teacher or audio then repeat. And the second one is use of repetition or drills. Student repeat sentences many times to remember patterns. And then the third is grammar is not explained directly. So the grammar is not the focus for this approach. Students learn grammar through example, not the theory. And then four is avoiding mistakes. Teacher try to prevent students from making errors. Five is use of target language only. The class is conducted mostly in English. And the example for this approach is, for example, the teachers will give the dialogues and then the student will repeat. For example, teacher will say, she is reading a book. And then student will repeat, she is reading a book. Then the teacher may change the word, she is reading a newspaper. And then the student will repeat the pattern. Next, Miss. Okay, for next, we'll talk about advantages. I'll give this to Mr. Arif. Mr. Arif, it's yours.
Okay, thank you, Miss Nia. I must apologize, Miss Dr. Fanny, because I'm not well today. Saya sedang sakit, Miss. Mohon maaf. Karena kemarin 3 hari kegiatan di Bandung. Okay, thank you, Miss Nia. Advantage improves pronunciation and speaking fluency, helps student remember sentence patterns, good for beginners. Next, disadvantage, students may memorize without understanding, less focus on communication in real situations, not very creative. And the last, in conclusions, the audiolingual method is useful for building basic speaking habits, but it should be combined with other methods to improve communication skills. Okay, and now let's practice.
Yeah, okay, thank you. So that's all for a small brief about the audiolingual method. So let's practice. The first one will be guide by Miss Nia. He used teacher-led activities. The second will be with Putri using Lexing Law. And then the third one will be by Mr. Arif with Duolingo. So, Miss Nia, please, time is yours.
Thank you, Miss Putri. Okay, I want to share my screen here. Wait. Okay. Is it clear my screen, everyone?
Clear, Miss.
Oh, wait.
It's closed.
Okay, I need to share part of the. Okay. Sorry. Wait. I don't open yet my slide. Sorry. You see my screen?
Yes.
Is it full? Is it full or no, Miss?
No, Miss.
It's not. Okay. What about now?
Yes, better.
Okay, so my topic, we are going to talk about holiday. So after this, you will be my students and I will lead this class and I want you to pay attention to my screens. Okay, so good morning, everyone.
Morning, Miss.
So today I'm going to talk about my holiday. Okay, so after this, oh, okay, sorry. Okay, after the class, you will know how to talk about your holiday, and then you will experience to talk using simple past tense, and then you will improve your confidence in speaking and pronunciations. Okay, now here I have two dialogues between two friends. Okay, I want you to listen to me and pay attention. Are you ready, everyone?
Ready,
Yeah,
Miss.
we are
Okay.
ready.
Hi, how are you?
Hi, how are you?
Can you just listen first? Later,
Okay.
you will give your time.
Sorry,
Okay.
Miss. Okay.
Okay. Okay, now here once again. Hi, how are you? I'm fine, thanks. Where did you go last holiday? I went to Bali. So that's the dialogue. So now it's your turn to repeat after me. I'll show you the dialogue. I will say it and then you repeat after me. Okay. Hi, how are you?
Hi, how are
How are
you?
you?
I'm fine, thanks.
I'm
I'm
fine.
fine, thanks.
Where did you go last holiday?
Where
Where
did you go
did you
last
go last
holiday?
holiday?
I went to Bali.
I
I
went
went
to
to
Bali.
Bali.
Okay, now let's repeat once again. Okay. Hi, how are you?
Hi,
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 how
how
are
are
you?
you?
I'm fine, thanks.
I'm
I'm
fine,
fine,
thanks.
thanks.
Where did you go last holiday?
Where did
did you
you
go
go
last
last
holiday?
holiday?
I went to Bali.
I
I
went
went to
to
Bali.
Bali.
Is it easy, everyone?
Easy, miss.
Okay. So I want you to do it by yourself. I want all the boys will be the A and then the girls will be B part. Okay. Now, boys, are you ready, boys?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now it's your turn.
Hi, how are you?
Girls,
I'm fine, thanks.
I'm fine, thanks.
Where did you go last holiday?
I went
I
to
went to
Bali.
Bali.
okay, that's nice. Now I want the opposite now. I want the girl first and then followed by the girls. Okay? Ready, girls?
Ready, miss.
Here we go.
Hi, how are you? Hi, how are you?
I'm fine, thanks.
Where where did where did you go last holiday?
I went to Bali.
Okay. Thank you. So that's part of the repetition that we use in our in this approach. And now is come to the drill practice where the teacher will try to give the new words or new vocabulary. So class, before you said you went to Bali, actually we can replace with the other word such as I have some word here. You will repeat after me. Singapore. Can you say it?
Singapore.
Singapore.
Park.
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 Zoo.
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 Mountain.
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 Okay. So now let's try once again. Let's put it in a sentence. Do you still remember this? It's Singapore. What is it?
Singapore.
Singapore.
Let's say, I went to Singapore.
I
I
went to
I went to
Singapore.
Singapore.
Okay. Park.
Park.
I went to the park.
I went to the
Went
park.
to park.
Okay. I want Putri, can you say it to me? Can you say it? Sorry, this one.
Yes. Singapore. I went to Singapore.
Okay. Patuhu.
Park. I went to the park.
Very good. Now, I want another practice, but I want you to use another pronunciation. Before it was I. Now let's continue. I want the volunteer from Mary. Can you replace the dot with you?
Yes,
Word
miss.
you. Okay, can you say it?
You went to the zoo.
Very good. Thank you. Now let's continue. I need Miss Nurlina, can you say it? Can you change it into we?
Yes, we went to the mountain.
Very good. Thank you, everyone. So we already practice this material. Later on, you will practice with your friends after the class. Thank you.
You're welcome,
You're welcome,
miss.
miss.
Okay. I think that's all from my part. It will continue with another it we call a teacher-led activity where the teacher have to be more creative to make the materials. But beside that, during this modern era, we will use I think it will be easier for teachers to use this method using the apps. It will present by Miss Putri and will continue with Mr. Arif. Okay, Miss Putri, it's yours.
Thank you so much, Miss Nia. Okay, let me share the screen first.
It's my time.
Me, Mr. Arif. Wait a minute. It's a little bit trouble. Yeah, thank you everyone. So it's my turn. In this audiolingual method, I use lexinglo.com. So you can search in the web and then type lexinglo.com as the website. And then in this website, I use I use Lexinglo as a web-based tool because it provides audio from native speaker and support repetition practice. Why this app? Because it's free and accessible, and then provides audio input, and then supports audio lingual method, and then also it helps students practice pronunciation. And then the audience in this demo is 10th grade from vocational high school kelas 10 SMK, and the level that I choose is A1 level because it matches the students basic proficiency, and then it allows them to focus on repetition and pronunciation. Okay, so here's the visual of lexinglo.com. And then you can scroll down again, and then we choose the option conversation here because it provides conversation. And then after we click, scroll down again. There are so many levels in here. There are A1, A2, and B1. Then I want to choose A1 here. After clicking, there are so many topics, start from at home to my favorite photographs, location, blah, blah, blah. And then you can see in here, there are so many topics. And then I will choose topic 12 at the restaurant. And then you can click start here. Yeah, okay. Okay, good morning, students. So, how are you in this beautiful morning? Feeling good? Feeling amazing?
It's amazing.
Feeling good, ma'am. I'm
Okay,
feeling
thank you. So
Thank
today,
you.
we are going to learn English by listening and exercising. So please pay attention. Okay, I will choose. The topic is about at the restaurant. So, in here there are so many expressions at the restaurant. Okay, there are 10 exercise. Please listen first, yeah. Can you hear the sound, guys?
No.
It's
No.
not clear, ma'am.
Seriously? Okay, let me repeat, yeah. Can you hear the voice?
No.
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 No voice.
Seriously? What happened, yeah? Wait a minute. Okay, let me repeat again. Can you hear the voice?
No.
No,
No.
yeah. Oh, okay. Uh, the audio is about. Okay, wait. Okay, please repeat after me, yeah. This is a big menu. Please repeat, guys.
This
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 is
is
a
a
big
big menu.
menu.
Okay, so you have to type what you hear in here. This is a big menu. Okay, after that, check the answer. Okay, it's correct. Next, we go to the next audio, number 2. Actually, in here, there are 10 audio in this topic. Yeah, let's hear again. Can you see the sound? No? Still no?
No.
Okay, wait.
No, voice.
Okay, so please repeat after me. Yes, what do you get it?
Yes.
Yes, what do you
Yes,
get
what do
it?
you
What do
get
you
it?
get it?
Okay, then you can type your answer. Yes, what do you get it? And then check the answer. Oh, it's wrong. The answer is yeah. What are you getting? Okay, this is the correction, yeah. Next, number 3. There are 10 questions. Number 3 here again. Okay, wait. Okay, please repeat after me. Chicken breast and fried potato.
Chicken
Chicken
breast and
breast
fried.
and
Chicken
fried
grill and fried
potato.
potato.
Okay, and then we type here chicken. Chicken breast and fried potato. And then let's check the answer. Oh, it's wrong again. Chicken peas. It's not breast.
Baked
Okay. Chicken peas and
chicken feet
baked
and
potatoes.
potato.
Okay, sorry, my bad. Chicken peas and baked potatoes. Okay, next again. Number 4. Wait. Okay, please repeat after me. I don't know what to get.
I don't know what was. Sorry, miss. I don't know
Okay.
what.
I don't know what to get.
I
I
don't
I
don't
know
know
don't
what
what
know
to
to
what
get.
get.
to get.
Okay, let's type again the answer. I don't know what to get. Okay, let's check the answer together. Oh, it's wrong again. I do not. I do
I
not
do
know
not know what
what
to
to
get.
get.
This one
Okay.
is the correct one. The astrophy is wrong.
Oh yeah, sorry. Oh yeah. Thank you. Next again, number 5. Okay, let me repeat first. Okay, please repeat after me. They have a very good turkey.
They have
They
very
have a very good turkey.
Okay, once again,
Turkey.
they have
Turkey.
a very good turkey.
There have
They
very
have a
good.
very good turkey.
They have
Okay,
a
thank
very
you. Next, we type the
thank
answer.
you.
They have a very good turkey. What is turkey, guys? It's like a chicken, yeah? They have a very good turkey.
Kalkun.
Oh,
Kalkun.
Kalkun. Oh, yeah. Thank you, Miss. Okay, let's check together what is the answer. Am I wrong again? Sorry. Number 5. Sorry, wait. Previous. And then they have a very good turkey. Check answer. Oh, I'm wrong again. They have very good turkey without yeah, they have very good turkey. Okay, next again. Number 6.
Is turkey right, miss?
Yes. Okay, wait. Okay, repeat after me, yeah. I had turkey yesterday.
I
I
had
had turkey
yesterday.
yesterday.
Okay, once again, I had turkey yesterday.
I
I
had
had turkey
turkey
yesterday.
yesterday.
Okay, let's type again here. I had turkey.
Turkey.
Is it good? I mean, is it correct? The pronunciation of turkey?
Yes.
Yes,
Yes.
Yes.
yesterday. I had turkey yesterday. Okay, you have to type here the answer, and then we check together. Yes, correct. I had turkey yesterday. Okay, so next again,
Next.
number 7 until 10, yeah, guys.
Yes, miss.
Okay, repeat after me. How about steak?
How about
How
steak?
about
How
steak?
about steak?
Okay, thank you, students. So we have to type again the answer. How about
How about
steak?
steak?
Okay, next. Let's check the answer. Yes, correct. Next
Correct.
again, number 7. And number 8. Okay, it's a little bit long. Let me repeat again. Okay, repeat after me. Perfect. I'll get steak and mashed potato. Please repeat after me.
Perfect.
Perfect. I'll get
Steak
That
and
I
potato.
get. Sorry, Miss.
Okay,
Can you repeat?
perfect. I'll get steak and mashed potato.
Perfect. I'll
Perfect.
get
Perfect.
I'll
I'll
get
get
potato.
Potato.
Okay, thank you. So we have
steak
to
and
type
mashed
the answer
potato.
here is perfect. I'll get steak and mashed potato.
The word
Okay, so
will.
let's check the answer. Oh, wrong. It should be perfect. I will. Okay, without construction, yeah. Perfect. I will get steak and mashed potatoes. Potato with S. Okay.
Miss, the correct one is under. Is it the under one? That one is a correct
Sorry,
answer.
sorry. Yes, perfect. This one, yeah.
Miss, as
Perfect.
perfect. Then
Mhm.
yeah,
Okay, perfect. I'll get steak and mashed potatoes.
mashed
Okay,
potatoes.
thank you. Next, number 9. Almost at the end, guys. Number 9. Okay, so repeat after me. What vegetables are you getting?
What
What
vegetables are
What
food?
vegetable are you getting?
Okay, repeat once again. What vegetables are you getting?
What vegetable are you
Vegetable
getting?
are you getting?
Okay, thank you, students. So type again. What is the answer? Uh, what vegetables are you getting? Okay, let's check the answer. Check
Get
answer. Oh, it's wrong. Without S, actually vegetable. What vegetable are you getting? Okay. So the last, number 10 here. Next. This is the last one, everybody. Okay, wait. It's a little bit longer. Okay. Okay, wait. Okay. Please listen and repeat after me, yeah? Okay, wait. I forget. Okay. I don't get any. I don't like vegetables. Please
I
repeat.
don't.
I don't get
any.
I
any.
don't
I
get
don't
any.
like
I
Like
don't like
vegetable.
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 Okay, very good, students. So let's type the answer. I don't, sorry, I don't get any. Full stop. I don't like the vegetables. Okay, let's check the answer. Is it correct or not? Oh my God, it's wrong. Oh, sorry. The answer actually, I'm not getting any. I don't like vegetables. Okay, so that's all for today's, guys. Today's topic is about the expression at the restaurant. Thank you so much. I hope you enjoy the class. See you next time. Bye bye.
Bye. Thank you, Miss Putri.
Okay, so next will be continue by Mr. Arif with Duolingo. Please, time is yours, Mr. Arif.
Okay, thank you, Miss Putri. I want to try teach English in grade 7 ya, kelas 7. Sorry Miss Putri, saya udah lupa cara ngajar. Okay, I'm sorry. Grade 7, for starting, sometimes I give them something like magic for
I'm sorry, can you speak louder? Mr.
Mr.
Arif, your voice?
Yes.
Yes, clear.
Wait, I'll have. Can you hear me? Sorry.
Yeah,
It's clear,
this
Mr.
better.
Arif.
This is
Hello. Can you hear
yeah,
me?
yeah. Yes, Mr.
Clear, good.
Arif.
Good.
Hello.
Hello.
Halo,
Yes,
halo.
Mr.
Hello,
Ali.
Clear,
can you
Mr.
hear me?
Arif. Clear, clear.
Yeah, we can hear your voice. I think he cannot hear our voice,
Hello,
right?
can you hear me?
Yes.
Hello,
Yeah,
Yes, clear, clear,
yeah.
clear.
clear ya?
Okay.
Okay, boys and girls, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning.
Good morning, Mr.
Uh,
Ali.
grade 7, how are you today?
Good.
Good.
I am
Okay,
fine, thank you,
Very
sir.
well, sir.
How are you, sir?
okay, thank you. Before we study, let's pray together. Pray begin. Okay, finish, thank you. And for start this study, for your full concentration, look at this. I have 2 coins. Can you see? I have 2
Yes,
coins.
Yes.
Okay, Putri, which coin do you choose?
the right one.
The right one, this one.
Yes.
Okay, this is 10 and this is 500.
Mm-hmm.
Sorry, 100 and 500. Look at
Mm-hmm.
this. Don't close your eyes.
Okay.
Okay, concentration, concentration,
Yes.
and the coin Putri is lost.
Wow.
It's
It's
me
become one
too.
coin. Very
Okay,
good. Magic trick.
okay. Check in your pocket, Putri. Ya,
There's no pocket.
disclaimer, biasanya kelas 7 senang memulai pelajaran dengan trik-trik
Yes.
like this.
Yes, very good
Yeah.
ice breaking, Mr. Arif.
Okay, okay, boys and girls. If you want, if you see someone for meet someone, if you want to offer something, maybe food or drinks, what you can say?
Do you want?
Do you want? Okay, and now look at the screen. Mr. Arif will share the application Duolingo. Okay, look at the screen. If you want to offer something, maybe drink or food, what you can say? Look at this. Oke, sekarang perhatikan di layar depan papan tulis ada there is Duolingo ya. Okay, and now we study about how to offer drinks. Okay, we start. Are you ready for start?
Yes,
Yeah.
Mr. Arif.
Yes, ready.
Okay, and now we begin. Okay, what the meaning susu?
Milk.
Milk.
Okay, we check your answer.
Milk.
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 Repeat again.
Milk.
Milk.
Okay, good.
Milk.
We check your answer. Okay, good. Amazing.
Yes.
Okay, and then what the meaning gula?
Sugar.
Sugar, this one, or this one? Number 1.
Yes,
Number
number
one.
one.
Okay, we check your answer.
Sugar,
Okay, repeat.
sugar,
Sugar.
Louder.
sugar,
Sugar.
Sugar.
sugar,
Sugar.
Okay, we check your answer.
Sugar.
Okay, good. Great.
Okay.
Okay, and then the next.
sugar or milk.
Sugar or milk.
Sugar.
Okay,
That's kind of
Sugar or milk.
repeat again.
Milk.
Sugar or
Sugar or
milk?
milk.
or milk.
Okay.
Sugar or milk.
Susu
In-
atau gula atau susu?
Okay,
Gula atau susu.
gula atau
Susu.
good. We check your answer. Okay, good. Applause for you. And then
Okay.
Tea with milk.
Tea with milk.
Tea with sugar.
okay, repeat anymore.
Tea with milk.
Tea with milk.
Tea with milk.
Tea with milk.
With
Tea with
milk.
milk.
Okay,
Tea
With
with sugar.
sugar or sugar with
Tea with sugar.
Tea
with
sugar.
with
Okay,
With
sugar.
Sugar.
okay,
Tea with
okay, good. Next,
Hello.
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 Repeat. Okay,
Hello.
in Indonesia. Hello. Okay, kita cek. Okay, good. And then, okay, You amazing?
Milk.
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 Okay,
Milk.
good. And
Okay.
then next.
Tea with sugar.
Tea with
Tea with
sugar.
Tea
sugar.
with sugar.
Sugar.
Okay, Putri, can you
Yes.
read?
Tea with sugar.
Okay, okay. Kita cek.
Tea with
Okay,
sugar.
good.
Okay.
Tea
Sugar.
with
With
Dengan
sugar.
Okay, we check your answer,
Okay.
Putri. Okay, good.
Okay, yay.
Next,
is a milk.
milk.
Number 2.
Mary, please. Choose your
Milk.
answer. Milk, number 2.
Milk. Number 2.
Okay,
Milk.
we check Mary's
Milk.
answer. Okay, good.
Hey,
Good for
I
Mary. Okay,
get the
next.
UP from you.
Okay, check your vocabulary ya.
Yeah.
Number 1 with
Number
number
Seven.
Number 7.
number 7. Okay.
1 and 7.
Milk.
Okay, good. And number 2?
2 and 6.
number
Number
6. Okay.
Please.
Okay.
3.
Number 3?
He
and number
and
0.
0. Okay. Number 4 with
9.
Number 9.
9.
Hello.
Okay. Number 5 with
Sugar.
8. Okay, good. Okay.
Tea
We
with
finish
sugar.
the step. Okay, repeat me.
Tea. Tea with sugar.
Tea
Tea with sugar.
Tea.
with sugar.
Tea with sugar.
Okay.
Sugar.
Coffee with
milk.
milk.
Okay.
Coffee.
Hasana, please.
Coffee.
with
With milk. Okay, we check Hasana answer. Okay, good. And then
Sugar.
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 okay, Sophie.
Sugar.
Sugar.
Okay.
Sugar.
Where is sugar? Milk, coffee, sugar. Goodbye. This one ya. Okay,
Yes.
Sugar.
True.
Okay. And
Well,
then hello.
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 Okay, good.
Hello.
Okay. Right in English, teh dengan gula.
Tea with sugar.
Tea with sugar.
With
Sugar.
sugar.
Okay, we check. Good.
Sugar.
Okay.
Coffee with
Nia, apa tuh Nia?
Coffee
Kopi dengan gula.
Coffee with
Coffee.
With
milk.
with milk.
Sugar. Sorry.
sugar.
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 Okay.
Sugar.
We check activator answer. Okay, good. Okay, the last. Tuh. Can
Coffee
you write
with milk.
Coffee.
Milk.
with
With
Milk.
milk?
milk.
Okay,
Milk.
we check. Okay, good. Okay. I think this is we study about how the way if you want to offer the drinks. Okay, ya. Okay. And now I hope you reach your vocabulary, boys and girls, and we finish this study. I hope you very well. Okay, see you next week. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Go back to Putri.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Arif. That's very amazing. We use Duolingo. Okay, so we go to Q&A, question and answer session. Let me share the screen first. Yeah, we go to Q&A session. So the first question is from Miss Putri Andini. The question is, who is best suited for the audiolingual method and what level of learners is most appropriate for this method? Let me answer the question. The ALM or the audiolingual method actually is best suited for learners who need to develop strong speaking and listening habit through repetition and practice. And then this ILM works best for beginner learners who are just starting to learn a new language. And then after the beginner learners, it's also best for young learners or students who benefit from structure and guide practice. And then learners who prefer clear models, imitation, and repetition. And also with students who want to improve pronunciation and basic conversation skills. And then how about the level? The most appropriate level for this method is actually for beginner A1. Actually, it's very suitable. And then for A2, it's for elementary. That's still effective actually. And it's less suitable for intermediate to advanced learner, B1 and above, because they need more creativity, critical thinking, and real communication. And then the audiolingual method is best for beginners learners because it focuses on habit formation through repetition and drill. So the key word in here is um, listening and then repeat like that. And then it also helps students build basic speaking and listening skills, especially pronunciation. However, it is less effective for higher level learners who need more meaningful communication and creativity. Yeah, next, the second question from Ms. Hasana. The question is, how can the audiolingual method support students in using everyday English expression fluently in Lexinglo lesson? Okay, so Lexinglo with me ya tadi. And the answer is the audiolingual method can strongly support students in using everyday English expression fluently because it focuses on habit. Back again, the keyword is habit. Listening, repeat, like that. On habit formation through repetition and practice. First, students are exposed to common daily expression like greeting, asking for directions, or ordering food through listening activities in Lexinglo. This helps them hear correct pronunciation and natural sentence patterns. And then, through repetition drills, a key feature of the audiolingual method, students practice this expression many times. Lexinglo interactive exercise allow learners to repeat and imitate native-like speech, helping them develop automatic responses without overthinking grammar. In addition, in this Lexinglo, pattern drills in Lexinglo, such as substitution or transformation exercises, train students to use expression in different situations. For example, like changing I want water into I want coffee. And it builds flexibility in communication. So finally, immediate feedback from the platforms help students correct mistakes quickly, reinforcing correct language habit and improving fluency over time. So by combining repetition, listening, and structured practice, the audiolingual method in Lexinglo helps students use everyday English expression more naturally and confidently. And the most important one is this program is really free, like that. Thank you. So the next question will be answered by Miss Nia. Please, Miss
Okay.
Nia.
Okay, thank you, Miss. So the questions came from Miss Twinnie. Why is speaking and listening emphasized more than reading and writing in the audiolingual method? Okay, so speaking and listening are emphasized because the method focuses on building oral communication first. And learners are trained to hear and produce correct language pattern before moving to the reading and writing. It looks like a thing about how children learn their first language. They listen and then speak before they read and write. Is it correct, everyone? So this principle is applied on this method. So that's the answer. Is it clear, Miss Twinnie?
It is clear enough, Miss. Thank
Yes,
you.
thank you. Okay, for next question is from Mr. Haris. When was the audiolingual method first known or developed? Okay. So based on the book and some source that I read, the audiolingual method was developed in the 1940s and became widely popular in the 1950s, especially in the United States. It was originally designed to support rapid language learning, particularly for military purpose. So that's this method came because of the needs how to learn foreign language very fast. It's maybe like imagine we are need to learn new language in very quick way, but under pressure. That's how this method began. That's Mr. Haris for the answer.
Yes, thank you.
Okay, so for next question will be answered by Mr. Arif.
Okay, thank you, Miss Nia. This answer from Mr. Tuhu. How does using Duolingo as a digital platform for the audiolingual methods influence learners' ability to develop automatic speaking habit compared to traditional drill-based classroom practice, and what limitation might arise from its gamified structure? I try to answer. Using Duolingo as a digital version of the audiolingual method helps learners develop automatic speaking habits through frequent repetition, instant feedback, and consistent practice, which are even more accessible than traditional classroom drills. This makes it active for building quick recall, pronunciation, and sentence patterns. However, compared to traditional drill-based classroom, Duolingo provides less real interaction and limited speaking depth. To learners may struggle with spontaneous communication. Its gamified structure can also shift focus from meaningful learn to earning points, leading to superficial practice and weaker real life speaking ability. In short, Duolingo strengthens habit formation at a basic level, but it is less effective for developing full communicative speaking skill. I think this answer, Mr. Tuhu. How about
Yeah,
you?
thanks for the complete answer, Mr. Arif.
Okay, you are welcome, Mr. Tuhu. Okay, Miss Nia.
Okay, thank you so much, guys. I think that's all from our group. We hope this presentation has given you a better understanding of the topic. We sincerely apologize for any mistakes in our presentation. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
Okay, back to Ma'am Fanny.
Thank you, presenters. Okay, Bapak Ibu, now our topic is about ALM, audiolingual method. Audiolingual jadi satu kata ya, nggak dipisah audio dan lingual. Audiolingual, it's one word. So this method became very popular in the mid 20th century, especially in foreign language education. This method believes that language learning is mainly a process of habit formation. So that is why we build the correct language habits through listening, through repetition, through imitation, through memorize and pattern drills. So this is why it is also answered the pertanyaan nomor berapa tadi saya lupa. ALM gives strong attention to oral skills. Karena ini tadi, karena belajarnya itu melalui listening, repetition, imitation, jadi mendengar, diucapkan, mendengar, diucapkan. Nah, ini otomatis kan jadinya ke oral skills. Ini menjawab kenapa bukan reading dan writing, karena memang tujuan awalnya belajarnya itu melalui listening, repetition, imitation, memorize, and pattern drills. Jadi di drill, otomatis kan tidak menulis jadinya. Nah, so, in ALM, the teacher plays a very central role. Jadi justru gurunya memang yang menjadi sentralnya. Jadi kalau gurunya, if the teacher doesn't have enough capability to in English, then this method won't work. Metode ini tidak akan berhasil kalau gurunya kurang kemampuannya. Jadi ini adalah salah satu metode yang kalau kita mau menerapkannya, you have to think carefully whether you are capable doing this method. Kita harus pikir baik-baik, saya kira-kira sanggup nggak melakukan ini, because you as a teacher plays a central role in this method. So, lessons often begin with a dialogue, tadi sudah dicontohkan oleh presenters. Students listen first, and then student memorize, and then students do the various drills, such as repetition, substitution, transformation, tapi didengarkan dulu. And then question answer drills. Menjawab pertanyaan pun berdasarkan contohnya. Bukan bikin kalimat baru. So grammar usually is not explained explicitly in this method. Grammar itu tidak dijelaskan secara eksplisit, subjek, predikat, lalu kemudian kalau past tense itu tense kedua, enggak seperti itu. Jadi students are expected to learn the structures through repeated patterns gitu. Jadi dengan mendapatkan pattern diharapkan belajar implicitly. Jadi bukan menghafal rumus. So, accuracy is very important. And errors are often corrected immediately. Jadi kalau ada yang kenapa kalau gurunya nggak boleh salah? Karena itu tadi, karena muridnya repeat the teacher said. Muridnya mengikuti gurunya. Kalau gurunya salah, ya nanti repetitionnya juga salah. Makanya tadi ini berat metode ini. Kayaknya simple tapi nggak simple. Ini berat. Salah pronunciation, muridnya salah juga mengucapkan. Salah tata bahasanya dalam patternnya, salah juga nanti akan menerapkan patternnya. So, accuracy is very important, dan kalau ada salah, muridnya langsung corrected immediately, langsung dibenerin saat itu juga. So, terkait ini, bedanya, karena itu juga metode ini mendapatkan kritik ya. Many scholars argue that language learning is not only a habit formation. However, walaupun ini ada kelemahannya, but still, for modern language teaching, ALM still can be used. Ini bisa dijadikan alat juga, but not the main method. Tentu saja bukan metode utama, but we still can use this method gitu as supported. Gitu bisa digunakan sebagai metode pendukung, especially if you want to teach pronunciation. Kalau kita mau mengajarkan pelafalan, kita bisa pakai ini karena murid langsung mencontoh gurunya. Gitu. Tapi memang tentu bukan main method. Nah, jadi bedanya apa? Waktu pertama kali kita sudah belajar direct method di grup yang pertama dulu. Direct method itu focusing on exposing vocabularies. Jadi direct method itu justru mau memperkenalkan banyak vocabularies. Sementara kalau audiolingual itu justru vocabularies are kept minimum. Justru vocabularies itu sedikit sekali. Bedanya dengan direct method. Jadi kalau ILM yang saat ini justru vocabulary-nya are kept minimum. Nggak banyak, karena memang mau memperkenalkan pattern. Mau memperkenalkan struktur tapi melalui pattern. Jadi kosakata nggak terlalu banyak. Itu bedanya dengan direct method. Kalau direct method justru exposing a lot of vocabularies. Memperkenalkan banyak kosakata. Justru itu. Nah, itu bedanya ya. Dan karena itu juga, tapi ada kesamaannya. Kesamaannya adalah first language is not used. Jadi tadi ada contoh yang kurang pas dari presenters ketika memberikan contoh, judulnya tadi ada pakai bahasa Indonesia, kemudian coba terjemahkan ke dalam bahasa Inggris. Itu adalah grammar translation method, itu GTM, itu bukan ALM. ALM itu nggak ada menerjemahkan. Dia mengikuti gurunya ngomong apa, muridnya ngomong. Gitu. Jadi tadi contohnya kurang pas ya. Kita misalnya ngomong suruh ngikutnya muridnya bikin post office. Habis ngikutin post office, udah lancar, to the post office. Udah lancar, going to the post office. going to the post office. Jadi ditambahin kata per kata setelah muridnya hafal. Baru nanti sudah lancar, I am going to the post office. Kan vokabulernya nggak banyak itu, cuma ditambah-tambah ini aja. I am going to the post office. Udah lancar, gurunya tunjuk. Where are you going? Ngulang yang tadi. I am going to the post office. Jadi yang tadi. Nah, nanti baru vocabulary yang sudah dipahami ditunjukin di gambar. Where are you going? Tapi masih memakai drill yang tadi karena mau mengajarkan present continuous. I am going to mana? I am going to mana? Tapi patternnya itu aja gitu. Dan vocabulary-nya cuma tempat dikit-dikit aja, nggak banyak. Karena fokusnya adalah mau mengajarkan supaya dia bisa present continuous by memorizing, bukan subjek, predikat pakai ing, kemudian gitu nggak gitu. Nah ini bedanya. Jadi bukan disuruh menerjemahkan. Kalau menerjemahkan tuh beda lagi, beda metode lagi gitu ya. So itu mungkin masukan sedikit. So overall, the presentation showed a very good effort, especially the ice breaking. Tadi yang Pak Arif itu sudah bagus, which was very engaging to the audience. However, still, I'm not trying to be mean. Saya hanya ngomong to the point aja, bukan bermaksud untuk tidak pengertian. The presentation should have been better prepared because even you are not feeling fully well, your group had a break before this. Bapak Ibu kan minggu kemarin libur. Jadi walaupun kurang enak badan, at least you have enough time to do the preparation well. So the preparation should have been more solid. So itu yang kurang. Lalu kemudian contohnya tadi juga kurang pas. Yang lainnya sudah baik. Menjawab pertanyaannya juga sudah pas. Itu saja mungkin. Jadi mudah-mudahan nanti bisa lebih dipersiapkan lagi untuk presentasi berikutnya. Karena waktunya sudah habis, saya takut mengambil jatah dosen lain. Saya juga harus masuk ke kelas lain. I'll see you next week Bapak Ibu. Have a good day. Sehat-sehat semua. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Salam sejahtera untuk semuanya. Take care.
Bapak Ibu.
Waalaikumsalam. Thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome.
Thank you, ma'am.
Langsung